Ryder, want to make a snow angel? Huh, Ryder? Want to come here and make a snow angel for Daddy? I'll show you how to do it. Come here. Come stand right here. And then you lay down on the snow. You lay down on the snow. Go ahead, lay down. Lay all the way down. And then move your hands back and forth, up and down. Yep, up and down. Up and down. Keep going higher, higher, higher. Arms higher. Now move your feet. Now move your legs the same way. There you go. Now stand up. Look, you made a snow angel.
I want to make another one.
Huh? You want to make another one? Okay.
That's about it. Hi, Dad.
He already ran outside.
Yeah, that was funny.
Yeah, he's getting cold. We need to go back home now.